Hi y'all! It is the second day of Christmas in our 12 Days of Christmas series. We're going to do something a little snackish, maybe a little side dish for a party or something. We're doing stuffed mini bell peppers, and we're going to go ahead and stuff these with some goat cheese, some cranberries, a little bit of rosemary, and some honey. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start with 8 ounces of goat cheese. We're just going to dump this into a mixing bowl. Kind of let this soften up a little bit while we prepare our peppers. So to prepare our peppers, I'm going to slice in half and de-seed them. Alright y'all, so I got about a pound of mini bell peppers here. We've went ahead, de-seeded them, washed them. If you miss a seed or two, it's not gonna hurt nothing. We're gonna slide this to the side. I'm gonna bring our cutting board and our knife back. Bring in our fresh rosemary, and we're just going to start chopping it up. You want about a tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary. Once you have about a tablespoon, we're going to bring our goat cheese back. Drop that in. You want about a cup of frozen cranberries. Then we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to go ahead and just start incorporating this all together. Alright, now once we have that mixed together, I'm going to bring in our baking dish. We're going to grab one of our peppers. Grab a spoon. We're just going to start packing that in. Lining it up. Rinse and repeat until we have them all done. Alright y'all, once we have our bell peppers stuffed, we have our oven set to 375. We're going to throw these in there for about 10 to 12 minutes. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it. Just came out of the oven. I cooked mine for about 15 minutes. Honestly, you can just cook it to however you feel like the pepper should be. I let mine be somewhat soft, but still enough you can grab it and hold on to it. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video where YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.